let's go! Oh boy, I can't wait to go trick-or-treating with the assistant. Where is she? Huh?
Ah! Happy Halloween!
Hi, assistant. Are you ready? Woof, woof.
Oh yeah, I love this time of year.
Woof, woof. I can't wait to dress up and eat lots and lots of doggy treats. Yum, 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 yum.
Candy, costumes, and spooky scares. Oh yeah. My 3 favorite things for the fall season. Oh, and of course pumpkins. Well, I can't wait to see how you transform your new tower for Halloween.
Well, we may be a little bit behind on the spooky season celebrations this year. Woof, woof. Woof, woof. We didn't have enough time.
Come on, guys. No decorations? Really? Way to get into the Halloween spirit.
We were too busy trying to save Adventure City. Woof, woof.
Yeah, there wasn't enough time trying to pick the perfect costume while also trying to go on every mission.
Speaking of costumes, we need to go get ready, Paw Patrol. We don't have enough time to decorate the new Adventure City Lookout Tower and get our Halloween costumes. Unless someone here wants to try and do it. Someone's gonna be put in charge of decorating the Lookout Tower.
I volunteer. Oh, okay. I was just trying to play it down for the other people, but now that I'm the only one!
Are you up to the task? Can you decorate our Lookout Tower to be spooktacular for this Halloween season?
I can do it. It'll be my mission to transform the Paw Patrol Lookout Tower into a spooktacular hideout. Okay, shoot.
Okay,
Go
thanks,
now.
assistant.
I've got a lot to do.
Okay, assistant, you got this. It looks like you've got your Halloween mission. We'll be back soon in all of our Halloween costumes.
Bye-bye, Paw Patrol.
Roof, roof, roof. Wait for me.
All right, see you later. After decorating the Paw Patrol Lookout Tower super spooky for Halloween, I'm sure it will be the best spot in town to go trick-or-treating. And I'll get tons of candy. Wah! Well, sweet, I'm a vampire. They call me Vicky the Vampire, spooky designer and decorator. Now to use some of my spooky magic to transform the Paw Patrol Lookout Tower into a spooky hideout. Whoa! Looks like this tower is huge. I'm gonna definitely need some help decorating it. I can't call the Paw Patrol. I know. Calling all the villains and monsters of mayhem and the mayor. Oh my. Okay, everyone, calm down. It's time for a monster makeover! A tower takeover! Wow! Oh yes, I like this. This looks really good. Oh. Ah! It's finished! Ah! Come find me, Paw Patrol!
Come on, guys. The assistant's ready for us. Roof, roof. Whoa, cool. Super spooky. Come on, let's check it out. Whoa, our garage is super spooky. Bats and jack-o'-lanterns.
Hey, whoa! What happened to my digger? It's covered in spidey webs!
Whoa, look at our headquarters. It's super spookified with monsters and skeletons and a mummy.
Biff!
Ah!
I got you.
Assistant!
Don't Don't you love this? It's spectacular.
I gotta say, Assistant, you did a really good job. It is super spooky. Woo!
Thanks. I think this will be the spookiest tower in town.
We're so impressed. It's like a fun spooky. But how did you get it all done so fast? All by yourself?
It was a lot of work. Okay, guys, you can come out now.
Ah!
Thanks for all your help, guys. What?
Monsters? Really, Assistant?
You guys wanted spooky, so who else would I call? Woohoo! Mission complete! Halloween hijinks, here we go! Wow, that was so much fun! I love playing with the new Paw Patrol Adventure City Lookout Tower and using my imagination and creativity to create something spectacular! Or should I say spooktacular? But make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Bye! But before I go, there's another cool video starting right now. Bye!
Oh, don't be a scaredy gecko. Besides, what's the worst that can happen?
Don't forget your spooky snack. I got you, Romeo! He's not in here, is he? Every now and then I have to check on that sneaky little Romeo just to make sure that he's not doing anything to the PJ Masks. Well, since Romeo's not here, I better check around his laboratory just to make sure he's not cooking up something bad. And just because I want to sneak around. Ew! I have newts? Ugh, stinky. Snail tails? Plain out disgusting. Ugh. Ooh, what do we have here? A new potion? Ooh, it's cold! Uh-oh. Oopsie. Hope that wasn't important. Whoa! Hey, what's going on? I'm a ghost! Ah!
La 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 la.
Oh no, Romeo's coming! Ooh, gotta hide, gotta hide! Whoa! Whoa, now I'm invisible!
Okie dokie, now to try out my newest Hey, what gives? My potion! It's a mess! Bonesy, did you knock over my potion again?
Romeo!
Huh? Hey, who said that? Ooh. Oh, not funny. Oh, no, no, no. I hope it's not a...
I have an idea. I'm gonna go scare my friend, but ghostly style.
Oh, PJ Masks! Paw Patrol! Where are you? Hey, Vampirina, is everything okay? Roof, roof! What's going on? Where's the assistant? Oh, thank goodness you're here. The assistant just came by and said she needed to see you guys ASAP. That's as soon as possible. I think it's something about a spectacular mystery or something. She ran right into the scare B&B. Hurry, you have to go find her, and fast. Come on, you guys. There's no time to waste. The assistant needs us. Let's go, go, go. You can do it. Don't you worry. There's only lots of ghosts and monsters and zombies and... Oh, well, you get the idea. Have fun. What? Oh, no, 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 no. Okay, assistant, the coast is clear. You can come out now.
Oh, thanks, Pete. I'm gonna scare them so good.
Have a spectacular time.
Vampirina? door.
Silly assistant, you're a ghost now. You can go right through the door.
Really? Ooh, this is gonna be fun. Watch closely.
See you later.
Okay, you guys, it looks like the assistant is somewhere in the haunted scare B&B. So we've got to be on the lookout for where the assistant might be. But watch out. I have a feeling there's lots of spooky, creepy, crawly monsters and things in here. So just everybody be on the lookout, okay? Let's go, go, go! Assistant, where are you?
Assistant. What was that?
Sorry, I think that was my tummy a-rumbling. I didn't get a snack today. Well, I guess if we're gonna be searching high and low all day for the assistant, a little snack couldn't hurt. Ooh, I'm right behind ya. Now, snack. Ooh, the fridge.
Ooh. A haunted snack!
Yikes. Rubble, are we sure about this? Oh, don't be a scaredy gecko. Besides, what's the worst that can happen?
Don't forget your spooky snack. Let's keep spooking.
Huh? What was that? Ooh, sorry, Catboy.
It's okay. So you saw a ghost?
Yeah.
Not good. Let's just hope the others found the assistant already. I'm ready to get out of here. Okay, you guys, let's find the assistant quick. This place is giving me the heebie-jeebies.
Ooh, I think it's time for some haunted howling.
Not good.
Ooh, other than its super creepiness, this couch is really comfy.
Oh, thanks.
Come on, Everest. I think it's not good to sit there. Yeesh.
Oh, man, really?
Don't sit here.
Okay.
Boo.
Owlette, I think it's time to go. Are you sure? We haven't found the assistant yet.
Okay.
It's not the assistant we're worried about. It's the ghost!
This is going just according to my plan. Now it's time for my grand finale, which is going to be the most spookiest of all.
So, did you ever find the assistant?
No, not even close. Yeah, the whole time we were spookified and scared silly by different ghosts that were all haunting us. We couldn't find the assistant anywhere. Oh no! Not again! Oh no!
You are being haunted! I am the scariest ghost of all time! And of course the goofiest! Boo! Boo! But you can't see me because I'm a spectacular spooky ghost! You can see me? I can see me! Oh man, this potion must have worn off.
Whoa, hey, what's going on? It's the assistant! The ghostly assistant! Whoa, hey, wait a minute!
Surprise!
It looks like the assistant was the ghost the whole time. Roof. Wow, assistant, that was really impressive. You were a really good, goofy ghost.
Well, what can I say? I'm great at ghostly scares.
Ooh, and I helped too. It was so much fun, and I couldn't resist. I invited some more ghoulish, ghostly vampire ghosts to come and play with us.
You mean the
Yeah.
real spooky ghosts?
They should be on their way.
Yikes!
Oh, ghosties!
I think it's time to get out of here! Wow, that was so much fun! Parents, remember to subscribe.